Hello aspirants, welcome back to another lectures on or new lectures on ratio and proportion. So again, mostly asked question from this topic and scoring topic as well. See, tricks to solve ratio and proportion. Suppose A is to B. What does it mean? A ratio B simply, or we can write as A by B. Suppose A is to B is given 3 is to 5, means 3 by 5. And meanwhile B is to C is given, means B by C is given 4 is to 8, means 4 by 8.
Whether you talk about GME online test or ET online test, a question on ratio and proportion is always compulsory. So please watch this video carefully. If you are looking at clearing a top-notch company sponsorship exams ASAP, then do come for SMVD Marine Academy offline coaching, whether for GME or ETO. Say you cannot come due to any reason, then why don't you go for online GME live classes at Merchant Navy Decoded or ETO Aspirant Excellence Package recorded classes presently available at Merchant Navy Decoded. All the links are given in the description box. At least check the trial videos. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.
Suppose we need to find A is to B is to C. How to find A is to B is to C? Use this formula. ठीक है, A is to B and B is to C. ठीक है, simply use this one. Use this method. Clear? चलो, suppose just take one example. एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. 3 is to 5 and 4 is to 8. 4 is to 8. How to solve this type of question? Simply multiply this. So what is A is to B is to C? ठीक है, multiply simple. See, 3 is to 5, 4 is to 8. क्या करोगे आप? 3 into 4, clear? 4 into 5, clear? 5 into 8. 3 into 4, 4 into 5, 5 into 8. So what is the value of 3 is to 4? 12. What is the value of 5 into 4? 20. What is the value of 5 into 8? 8 5 is 40. So what is the ratio of A is to B is to C? 12 is to 20 is to 40. And this type of questions frequently asked by many different shipping company. ठीक है? So this is the trick to solve any ratio and proportion question. First question: if A is to B is 7 is to 8, if B is to C is 7 is to 9. What is the ratio of A is to B is to C? Simply write 7 is to 8 and 7 is to 9. Clear? 7 into 7 49. 7 into 7 49 is to 7 into 8 56 is to 8 into 9 72. So tell me what is the ratio of A is to B is to C is nothing but, ठीक है, 49 is to 56 is to 72. Clear? Clear? Now next question. If 2x is equal to 3y, 2x is equal to 3y means what? X by y is nothing but 3 by 2. Means what? X is to y is nothing but 3 is to 2. Clear? 4y is equal to z. 4y is equal to 5z actually. So y by z is nothing but 5 by 4. Means what? Y is to z is equal to 5 is to 4. We need to find the value of x is to z. We need to find the value of x is to z. So just do this. X is to y, 3 is to 2. Y is to z, 5 is to 4. So 3 is to 2 and 5 is to 4. ठीक है? कितनी होगी? 5 into 3 15 is to, ये क्या हो गई? x is to y is to z. 3 into 5 15, 5 into 2 10, 2 into 4 8. Clear? Now tell me, what is the ratio of x and z? X is to z is nothing but 15 is to 8. Clear? Clear? X is to z is nothing but 15 is to 8. What is the x is to y? X is to y equal to 10 and y is to z is equal to 10 is to 8. Clear? X by 3 is equal to y by 5 is equal to z by 9. Then what is the ratio of x is to y is to z? What is the ratio of x is to y is to z? So simply let x by 3 is equal to y by 5 is equal to z by 9 is equal to k. X by 3 is equal to y by 5 equal to z by 9 equal to k. Then what is the value of x? X equal to 3k, y is equal to 5k, z is equal to 9k. Now tell me the ratio of x is to y is to z. 3k is to 5k is to 9k is nothing but 3 is to 5 is to 9. So what is the value of x is to y is to z? 3 is to 5 is to 9. Clear? And again ये सारे क्वेश्चंस स्कॉर्पियो, टॉम, एमएससी, ठीक है, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस एप्टीट्यूड राउंड में पूछे जाते हैं. इवन एमएससी के इंटरव्यू में ये क्वेश्चंस पूछी गई. यस, इंटरव्यू में. एमएससी की सीबीटी पे मैं बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, सीबीटी की एप्टीट्यूड की मैं बिल्कुल बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ये मरीन इंजीनियरिंग से इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस इंटरव्यू में पूछे गए. यस.